man. I all around player, every night get a triple double. I don't take breaks, I'ma let you niggas cuddle. If you fall, then you get up. Nigga like a sit-up. Losing is not failure, it's only when you give up. Life is no joke, especially with no hope. Niggas still selling coke, the streets made them cutthroat. I was blind to the facts, but now I see a little clearer. So I started my changes with the man in the mirror. He was my homie till that nigga turned phony. I don't trust no bitch, so I'd rather ride lonely. Militant minded, that be a nigga mind state. The government ain't doing shit, check the crime rate. They putting guns and drugs in the hood so we can kill each other, instead of building more churches so we can heal each other. If nobody talk about it, who will? Maintain, Lil Dad, I will. Yeah, for my niggas in the struggle, mind on your money, be about your hustle. Keep God first and remember shit can be worse. Yeah, just remember shit can be worse. Yeah, for my niggas in the struggle, mind on your money, be about your hustle. Keep God first and remember shit can be worse. Yeah, just remember shit can be worse.
I swear to God, times is hard, so I ain't too hard to praise God. My little nigga doing life shit, got the only thing he got. I was broke as fuck, a young nigga trying to reach a quota. Type of nigga that'll try to turn a dime into a quarter. Surrounded by all these selfish niggas trying to get over. And little mama hoeing, self-esteem is getting lower. He just want his money, she just want someone to hold her. Daddy wasn't there, never caught him in the pics, and now she lost, looking for love in every little nigga. And don't blame that little nigga, he just tryna follow pimpin'. He ain't had no dad either, he just out here tryna get it. And bitches always talking about niggas ain't shit, but you attract what you attract. So bitch, that mean you ain't shit. This shit making me sick, and mama tired of paying that rent. So if it don't make dollars, then it never made sense. I'm tryna get rich, stack every dime I could get, you bitch.
Yeah, for my niggas in the struggle, mind on your money, be about your hustle. Keep God first and remember shit can be worse. Yeah, just remember shit can be worse. Yeah, for my niggas in the struggle, mind on your money, be about your hustle. Keep God first and remember shit can be worse. Yeah, just remember shit can be worse.